As I scan this car, you can see how the check light on the car. If you check it, you see the check light there. When I scan it, you see the throttle body. Give me throttle pedal. Give me 4 different codes on throttle. And see, as you can see, this is another code. This is another one, and this is another one. As you can see. Now I want to work on the light. How can I clear it? How I can do this? I can deal with the trouble code. So let's go, guys. Look on. I see how I will do it. Speed accelerator. Let me pause. Let me go to really quality code. Let me check it out. And see how the engine is shaking. See how the engine is shaking. See how through the sound the engine is shaking because of that fault. Now I fix it out now. So and see how P0121 P0123. So I'm on it now, trying to lose all this so I can get to the throttle body because it's giving me throttle sensor before this on the touch. So you can see I see it. You can see the 40. It's one of the wires I've got. You can see it. So let me fix it. I start the car. I see maybe my foot has go away. Okay, let's go. I fixed it now. Now I want to remove the battery head. So all the check lights will go. So after that, let me start the car and show how it works. I'm the car now. Let me show what I did. Maybe everything is working perfect. So let me start the car now and show. You can see the check light has gone in one hand. The car is now balanced. Everything is okay with the car now. You can see the car is now okay. The check light has gone away. That's gone okay.